So I'm here with a nice, this is of ours, came to me through the Operation Restore. It's a pro bono program through the International Society of Hair Restoration Surgeons where I provide pro bono surgery. In this case, he's a really deserving kid. He's was born with some hydrocephalus, and he's overcome, with the support of his family, quite a few developmental challenges, and overall he's done great. He's doing really well in school. Mom says he's an A student. What we're going to do for him today is, he's a really good looking kid. He just really is missing his eyebrows. He already has the rudiments of them, so we can work with those and basically just give him a fuller look using the scalp hairs, and this should come out really nice. What I'll do is I'll design the eyebrows for him. Basically show what I think will look nice. We'll do that in the pre-op room, and give him something that'll fit his face.
Do you have any questions, sweetheart?
I don't have no questions. I just want him to know he's gonna be in good hands and don't be nervous.
You got it. It's a real pleasure to take care of him. So basically what I'm doing is I'm using his underlying eyebrows as a foundation. Give him something that looks nice. There's no hard and fast rules. Want to try this one, Andrea? There's no hard and fast rules when you're designing an eyebrow. Look straight ahead of me. It's getting better, right? Mm-hmm. And what we do is I want to get your feedback, Mom. Any thoughts you have?
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. It's pretty good. Yeah.
Pretty good. Come on, Mom.
It looks awesome.
We're doing this. I'm just kidding. Pretty good. I'm just kidding. Get straight ahead of
It
me.
looks great.
What do you think of that? They're not going to be blue, of course. They're going to be brown. Do you like those eyebrows?
Yes.
Yeah. All right, we'll go with this. You ready to get those eyebrows? Let's do it. Here we are, 6 hours later, and our young patient now has eyebrows. Nice work, Carmen. Carmen was my chief assistant, worked with me on this. But anyway, he's got really just a nice set of eyebrows. We did just under 600 grafts, around 300 grafts per side. Mom, any thoughts?
I'm so appreciative. My whole family is so appreciative to Dr. Epstein and everything that he's done. And he's by far the best that I've seen. I've done a lot of research, and he's awesome.
Well, thanks.
The staff, they took very well care of us. Everyone was very concerned and understanding to our needs, and we just really appreciate everything. And this is gonna make my baby's self-esteem go through the roof. And I so appreciate it. So appreciate it. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's really our pleasure. And thanks for trusting your son in our care.